How to use Grok AI for writing tweets and replies. Want to craft engaging tweets faster? Grok AI can help you write, edit, and refine posts right inside X. Open Grok AI from your sidebar and type something like write a tweet about launching my new product. Grok will instantly generate creative tweet ideas. You can also ask make it funnier or keep it professional to adjust the tone. To write replies, open a post, click the Grok icon under it, and select Reply with Grok. It will suggest smart, context based responses that you can post with one click. Always review and personalize Grok's suggestion. Small tweaks keep your voice authentic. Do you prefer short, witty tweets or detailed replies? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Grok AI for writing tweets and replies. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.